Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Anastasia with Best Washington Properties, and I am so happy you've joined us again today. This afternoon, we are going to be presenting an amazing bunch of information. I've got Ryan Bishop here from Wave Wealth, and I cannot wait for what this has in store, you guys. Seriously, some super valuable stuff we're going to be dropping here, and it is going to be incredible. So let's dive right in, shall we, Ryan?
Sounds good.
Awesome. Yeah. So I'm so happy you're here. Thank you for joining me today.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited.
Of course. Yes. So let's start off with the first question on how and why we connected. Obviously, we're from kind of different walks of life. So how did we end up connecting?
Well, we connected on Facebook, actually. Thanks social media once again for the great networking platform. But yeah, we connected on Facebook, part of a real estate mastermind group. And I think we saw some comments on different posts and we just connected and started a conversation.
Yeah. And it's been amazing to be able to connect. And that's the one thing I love about social media is that you really never know who you're going to meet. And you can form such valuable connections with people. You know, I mean, you have a wealth of knowledge, no pun intended there, but you have a wealth of knowledge to be able to provide to my clients and, you know, just to the general public. And so I think it's great that we've been able to get you on here. So the other question next would be question number 2, which is what services do you offer and kind of what your ideal client is?
Great. Well, we are a full service financial services company. We do everything from mutual funds, stocks, bonds, IRA setup, 401k rollovers, annuities, life insurance, long-term care plans, everything in the financial arena we can do. And so we're able to help people from all walks of life. You know, sort of our company motto is that we're bringing Wall Street to Main Street and helping those who are most overlooked by the financial industry.
I love that. And, you know, I mean, all of us really could use some financial guidance. And I mean, I think that it has no limitation to it, right? I mean, really, it doesn't matter where you are in life, whether you're graduating high school or finishing up college or getting your first job, whatever it is, anybody can use financial guidance at any point in their lives. And so it's a service.
Absolutely correct. You can never have enough knowledge. You know, they always say knowledge is power, right? But only if it's applied, right? You actually have to take action with the knowledge that you're gaining and how you're growing and put it to use for yourself and for your family.
And, you know, this is one of those things that I really feel that it should be a course that's offered to students in high school even. I mean, this kind of planning should start at such an early age, but it's, you know, there is no time limit on it. And so for those of you who haven't started some of that planning, now is the time, really. So let's dive into our next question then. How long do you typically work with a client?
Well, our client relationship really is a lifetime commitment, or as long as, you know, we're in the business, because it's an ongoing thing. It's ever evolving. There's changes that happen, life happens, situations change, jobs change, marital status changes, you know, all these different situations come up during our client's lifetime. Even people passing away, you know, is something that happens. And so we're committed to our clients for a lifetime, you know, as long as it takes, and as long as we're doing a good job, right? Then and the client's happy, then we're going to work with them. And it's great for follow-up too, because then we keep in touch and we do annual reviews, and we're constantly there to answer questions that come up. Or, you know, one of the ways that we all get paid in real estate or mortgage or financial services is we get paid with referrals. So hopefully we do a great job in servicing our clients, and they are nice enough to give our names out.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that is how both of our businesses are based. And the nice thing about that is that you get to then work with people that you already kind of have a personal connection with. That's one of my favorite things about working with referrals. And my business at this point is pretty referral based. And I love that because you already have that connection with somebody because somebody has handed them off to you and trusted you to take care of their friend or their family member or their sibling or spouse or whoever it is. And that's a real honor.
Absolutely. Well said. Well said.
Yeah. So the next question then is, that you have a team of people that you work with. What would you say you and your team's niche really is? Because I love a good niche.
Yeah, well, we have a couple. Okay, so I guess the first and foremost is our business platform, right? When we're meeting people and networking and talking to folks and looking for clients or potential new associates, the first thing that we talk about is our business model and how it could help somebody learn about money, better their financial position. Everybody talks about financial freedom. Well, we can offer that on a part-time basis. No experience necessary, no background, no education. We can teach you, we can train you. I like to say that we onboard for attitude and train for skill, which is 100% true. Second, so that's our first niche, is that we have an opportunity that we can provide to somebody, the right somebody, right? Secondly is really around taxes, and that's retirement income, capital gains, provisional income tax. If anybody listening knows what that is, it's taxes on your Social Security benefit. But our niche from the planning side is that we can help people retire in the 0% tax bracket. And if you understand math and you understand systems and strategies that are actually legal and in place already and have been utilized for decades by the wealthy mostly, you can position yourself, and it doesn't matter if you're just getting started with your career or if you're a multi-millionaire, whatever the case is. The fact of the matter is that taxes are going to have to be paid. And it's a matter of not if, but when you pay them, right? And so with the right guidance, with the right type of planning and the knowledge, education, you can position yourself to retire in that 0% tax bracket and never have to worry about it ever again.
Well, I love this service that you guys provide for a variety of reasons, obviously. Myself as a business owner, it's always good to be looking at finances and planning for the future. But also from a real estate standpoint, that capital gains tax, a lot of us, if you've stayed kind of dialed into any of the news that's happening and that sort of thing, you've seen that there have been some changes to capital gains tax. And so that one really hits home for me and for my clientele, to be able to have somebody that they can count on to help guide them through that process, because, I always end up sending people in the right directions. I can help you buy and sell houses all day, every day. But, I stay within my wheelhouse. And when it gets to that, talking too in depth about capital gains, that's kind of where I get a little more hands off. And I love that is something that, my clients can now have somebody that they can rely on to help guide them through that process.
That's awesome. Yeah, it's nice. I heard a great quote today, actually. It said, there's a fine line between confidence and humility, right? If you can have both, then you're going to be in a great position to do some wonderful things for clients in any industry, right? Confidence and humility, that's in curiosity and being humble, right? If you're curious, you can't be arrogant at the same time. But yeah, the capital gains thing and collaboration, I think that's kind of where you were going, but that's where you can really set yourself apart by being more of a trusted advisor for your real estate clients rather than just a realtor, right? Because, what's the separator between you and the other 18 to 20,000 realtors in the greater Puget Sound area?
Exactly.
So it's what separates you from everybody else, and collaborating with somebody like myself or somebody on our team can really add more value and service your clients in a bigger way.
Definitely. And I think, one of the key words, and this is one of my favorite words, is elevation, right? That key way to elevate your business as a realtor. So yeah, I can't agree with you enough on that. And for everybody joining us today, feel free, please, to reach out to Ryan. I'm going to be posting his info, as always, down below here. So you'll have his contact information so that you can directly connect with him to be able to get enrolled in some of his services, ask him any questions that you would like to, and so that you guys can dive into your specific scenarios, because everybody's is so different. And that will give Ryan a chance to really evaluate things with you and start to work with you on gaining financial knowledge and, as we all hope for, financial freedom, right?
Absolutely. I might add just at the end here, we actually have a book that our team produced. I'll send you a copy, but it's called How Money Works, Stop Being a Sucker.
I love it.
And it's just a simple, elegant book that is easy to read, but just the information is invaluable.
That is awesome. I would love a copy. Yes, please do send it my way. It would be amazing to have. Well, Ryan, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate all of the knowledge that you've shared with everybody. And you guys, feel free to connect with Ryan. He's going to be your guy, helping you move forward in your financial planning. So connect with him.
Thank you so much, Anastasia. This is awesome.
Of course. Yes. All right. Take care, everybody. We'll see you again soon.